Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our browser, and after that, go on the search bar and search for Invideo and then click enter. Once you are now in this page, just click the first link that will pop up on your screen. And after this, all we have to do is to go here on the top screen and then click this sign up button. Once you click sign up button, you will be directed right here. So you can join with Google or you can join with Apple, or of course you can also use your email right here. But for this video, I will just use my Google account. So just choose the account that you want to use. Then after that, just click continue. And then after that, as you can see right there, we are now almost logged in. So the next thing that we need to do is to put our name right here and then the workspace name. And once you are now done with this, just click continue and then just answer the question. And then you will now be good to go. So as you can see right there, we have now signed up to Invideo. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.